Are you struggling with post-dermaplaning breakouts? You're not the only one. This is a common problem experienced by both new dermaplaning practitioners and seasoned professionals. In our comprehensive manual, you'll learn common causes of post-dermaplaning breakouts and how to prevent them from happening. You're going to receive step-by-step guidance that maps out successful treatments every time. You'll also learn tips, tricks, and techniques to elevate your dermaplaning treatments that you can implement immediately. You'll polish up your skills, boost confidence, and provide your clients with the best possible treatment results. Imagine never experiencing post-treatment problems again. Click the link below and grab your manual today.